Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. In this video, I wanted to break down exactly how I get my mini twist to look full. As you guys may know, I have very thin, fine, natural hair, and a lot of girls with the same hair type as me are wondering, how do I prevent my mini twist from looking scalpy, showing a lot of scalp, and just looking thin and frail overall, because that tends to be a problem with the natural hair community. So there's just one major trick that I do. I will say this may or may not work for you, but I'm going to share it with you guys anyways. Please let me know down below if you guys try this out and if this does help you. Over time, mini twists do get older, they get frizzier, and they do eventually get fuller. So don't be discouraged if you put in a fresh set and they are thin looking. And ooh, I always hate when I put in a fresh set because they are very neat and precise, but they're thin. So they do get fuller over time. These, for example, have been in my hair for about 10 days or so. I'm gonna redo the front for you guys. I'm gonna show you exactly how I part my hair and how I get it to look more full, so that can help you guys out to get fuller twists if you have thin, natural hair. Okay, so here we're starting with a freshly washed section of my hair, and I'm gonna start with the base row of mini twist. What I'm showing you here is called window parting. So where my comb is hitting are the windows that we need to fill with the next row. This is not a new concept. A lot of braiders and protective styles sit well when doing window parting, but I also realize it does really well with mini twists, especially if you have fine natural hair, because if you place the twist in the windows of each section, it fills it out, covers your scalp, so you don't have that scalpy look like I mentioned before. What I'm applying on the root of each section is edge control. I like to use that on the mini twist in the front just so they can stay neater for a longer period of time. But here I'm showing you that we want this next mini twist, this next row, we want to start it off falling in between the first row, the window parting method. So I'm trying to show you how I want this first mini twist to fall between the two on the bottom. And this can be kind of tricky depending on your hairline, the way it goes and falls and everything. So just do your best. At the end, they will all work out together. So don't stress too much on getting it right in between the two. It will still work out and look full in the end. Now, as you can see, the second row covers the scalp area, the window part of the first row. So see how that all falls? And this helps prevent your hair from looking scalpy, kind of covers it up, makes it look a little bit more full. Here I'm showing a comparison of the side I just did. So I refreshed this side, and on this other side, this is the hair that I've had in for about 10 days now. And as you can see, it will swell up and get thicker over time. As you can see, the parts help it all look thicker than my hair really is. It just helps prevent that scalpy look that us fine natural girls usually get. Now here are a few other things I do to get a fuller look. So this is my moisturization routine. I spray the mini twist with some water and I apply, some kind of leave-in conditioner that's a lightweight cream or like a moisturizer. Then I seal it on up with a light oil. Very simple and, very moisturizing and helps with growth. Then when you're done with that section, you want to braid it up into one big chunky braid. So essentially what we're going to do here is a braid out on our mini twists. I've done this a ton of times and it does help my hair curl up even more and just fill it out. And this is also my nighttime routine. I do this to go to bed. I braid up my mini twists and throw on a bonnet and we're good to go. For an added bonus, you can lay down your scarf to just get rid of some of that extra frizz. This usually just slips off at night, you know, rough sleeping, but it's always good to have a little extra protection underneath that bonnet. I did end up going out the night before, so I just kind of pinned the braids back in like a cute little style. I didn't want to take the braids out quite yet and they were still damp, and that worked out for me. But here we are the next morning and I'm taking out the braids one by one. I'm not adding any extra product because of course with thin hair and you know low porosity hair, that's not going to get sucked into your hair at all. It's just going to be a mess. So here I am taking out the braids one by one. And here we are with our final results. As you can see, that braid out definitely gave us more volume, more curls, and definitely fills out your hair and prevents that scalpy look, which I cannot stand. So this is how I get my fine natural hair to look a little more thicker, you know, give a little more of an illusion. And as you can see, it looks really cute, half up, half down. Tons of different style ideas you can go from here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped. Give me a like if it did and subscribe. Join the family and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!